first things first, the heater.
The heater.
Because summer is over, it's September and what? It's cold.
It's cold here.
Okay, we're going to do the headlight skin, right?
Again, yes. Hopefully this time it's not a fail.
I don't think it was a fail. It just wasn't as good as it was on the LS.
No.
And we know why. So here's the thing. This car did not have the 3M product on the front. The LS430 did, and it also had it on the headlights. So when we cleaned them, they started to shine, and they still shine a year and a half later, 2 years later. These we did less than a year ago, and they're still kind of dull, so we're going to try them again. There's one trick we did learn. And what was that trick, Amy?
Pop the hood.
That's right. Pop the hood. Go for it. Okay, now the question is, does Amy truly know how to pop the hood?
Oh, of course I do. If I can only see in here. Gas, trunk.
No.
Hood. No. Hood. Hood. Hood.
Pop the hood. Now go and get her.
That's the first time I've done it, actually, in this car.
All right.
Let's see.
There you go. All right.
Hood is popped.
The reason why that's important is then you don't have to tape around the headlights. You don't have to tape here, just around where the paint is. All right. Let's proceed to tape. If I'm not mistaken, this is your third headlight cleanse.
Yeah, it is.
2 on this one on the LS.
Yeah. Should be a pro by now.
Wow, you should start charging for this.
I should. So first we're just going to spray clean the headlight. We're just using water and soap just to get any, dust, residue off of it. Shake product well before use. Squeeze a quarter-size amount of cleaning solution to the cleaning pad provided. So you want to shake this first. This is the lotion, the cleaning lotion. And you put about a quarter size on your cleaning pad.
All right.
And then,
this is what Chris Fix would do.
And then you literally just circular motions, rub it all over the headlight. Getting every little part.
It's a lot easier when you lift the hood.
Yeah.
It's kind of embarrassing we didn't think about that the first time.
Well, live and learn, live and learn. Hopefully this time we will see a better result.
It wasn't bad,
No.
but it just wasn't as good as the other one.
Yeah. And the car is so beautiful. You want the headlights to reflect the same.
We have headlight number 2 and headlight number 1 all done. So next up, Amy, is what?
Okay, so wipe the headlight surface with a clean towel to check progress. The surface is properly clean when it has a uniform frosted appearance across the entire headlight. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry completely. So once it gets like a frosted look and it's dried, like see how it's starting to frost up? So you wait till it frosts up and then you're going to take a damp cloth and clean it off. And then the final step is the spray. All right, so now I've got a clean damp cloth and I'm going to wipe off this frosted lotion here.
All right.
Off the headlight.
Man, you can still see it going right here. It's inside.
Yeah, it's almost like moisture or something
underneath. I think it's pretty sure it's moisture's inside there.
Yeah.
And there's no way you're going to get that out.
No, but it does look better, already.
Yeah, even this looks kind of cracked, odd.
Yeah.
Pitted, maybe. Maybe it's pitted. That's what, which would make sense as a vehicle with 157,000 miles on it. You would think that there'd be pitting.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Okay.
that looks
Yeah, a lot better already.
looks better than this frosted one, but that's not much. Okay, so let's do that one more time.
Do this one.
Okay.
And then once it's nice and dry, we'll do the final step.
All right.
Now, since we wiped away the lotion with a clean damp cloth, we're going to make sure the headlight is nice and dry.
Before the final step.
Before the final step. There's that one.
Yeah, you can see they're still foggy, right? But that's what happens in the second to last final step. They're not quite there.
So this is the headlight coating spray.
This is the magic.
This is the second.
All right, let's see if
step.
it makes any difference.
And then you're literally going to just spray it across.
Be careful for overspray. Well, that already looks better.
Let's look at that compared to the other one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Before you do that spray.
Yeah.
It does look foggy. Okay. Yeah, no, it already looks better than it did before, too.
Yeah.
Is that it? You wipe down the spray you just did, or let it sit?
Nope, you just leave it.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
I think that looks a lot better. Our LS430, we did our headlights, almost 2 years ago. And it really did the job, did the trick. They look great.
They still look great, but then they had that 3M product over them. So
Protecting, yeah.
Protecting them, even though the car is 4 years older.
Yeah.
It's looking a lot better than it did before.
Yeah, it's still not as clear
No,
as
it's
the
not going to be
LS.
as clear. You
but-
can tell there's water and
Yeah.
condensation in there. They weren't protected from the sun. The car was also in California for the first 10 years of its life, so
Yeah.
it would have had higher sun rays, which is why you have some paint fade in the back on the bumper. But overall, rating,
I would say an 8 out of 10.
there you go. What do people need to do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.